Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 60, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check does your device supports eSIM thanks to the IMEI number of your phone. Okay, all you need to do is to check first what is your IMEI number. To do it, open up the phone app and we gotta type the code *#06 and hashtag. Now in here we have our IMEI number. We need to type it on IMEI.info page, just like always on this channel. So type the code. As you can see, our device has appeared, our Razr 60. Now we gotta keep scrolling down. In here you can also see some basic information about the device, but we need to keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free, so you don't need to pay for anything. And the first option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. We just gotta tap on that and then click on check. And now, as you can see, we have the result. This device supports eSIM. We can also check the number of SIM cards, for example. We can buy the eSIM and order, for example, the blacklist premium check, but you gotta pay for that. Have that in mind. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.